today we just decided to go to Denpasar city center and showing you what is the hype about the brand new mall in Denpasar, because so many people talking about that, and then the traffic to go here so horrendous. So that's why today we will show you this. Is it worth the visit? Is it worth the hype to visit the mall? I'll show you around.
So the name of the mall is Living World. As you can see, actually they have so many nice decorations, special places to making pictures. Living World, and yeah, funny fact is it's exactly there. Where is this thingy over there? Just behind this building, there is the entrance to the place where we used to live. Actually, not a few years ago. That's brings me memory. I remember as they started to making the construction. Exactly this Jalan Kaniere, I used to live there a long time ago. Anyways, that's how does it look like from outside. This is the special dedicated entrance for the cars. So if you drive motorbike, you have to go around the mall. Ask security, they will let you know if so, but you have to take totally different road to get there. And this is the main entrance and lobby. Not so crowded like in the beach walk. Definitely not.
Let's see how it is inside. Is it worth the hype?
Let's see if it's worth the hype. Let's see. So this is what it shows me when you enter to the mall. Still for rent, they're selling Volkswagen, which is very interesting, and a huge Harley Davidson with small boutique here. And like this one actually. Not that, I don't know what should I say, this is first impression. Roof is very nice, the ceiling is beautiful, that's for sure. This is the lobby, they're selling the cars overall as the entrance to the mall. Okay, interesting. Now the Hyundai is getting more popular. Boutique shops like that one, and yeah, I'm a bit confused actually what we can find here, but let's see. Little bit different. Also selling Toyotas there, overall cars at the beginning, and obviously the scooters there, Kia, some local people enjoying their vibe. But yeah, this is still like when they opened, like not so long ago, isn't it?
1 month ago,
yeah,
if I'm not mistaken.
So there definitely mall needs some time until it's gonna be fully occupied and super busy, like beach walk for instance. But yeah, definitely worth to show you around. Down there is also the floor. There is huge hall empty, so definitely there will be the stars or cars in the future or something. Informa at the front, there's some coffee shop. They're selling the motorbikes obviously, and the ceiling, the architecture is really nice, that's for sure. There is some restaurant, you could have a pizza, that's good. Gosha and Go Emrod, popular in Indonesia. Uniqlo at the front, and basically I see only clothes everywhere around here. And Informa is on the top floor, and still so many buildings. Okay, let's go up maybe. Okay, let's have a little look. Just arrived to the first floor. Informa, this is like a place where you can buy furniture and stuff like this one. And here is the Ace hardware, the hardware store obviously. Some other small one. Well, every big brand is here. So if you're looking for the nice looking Ace hardware, most of expats should be familiar with this brand. You can find here, right? So it's not bad at all. They have time to time some nice rest areas as well. Optic here, some other little kiosks, but also a lot of places needs to find new owners still for the vacants. The hoops where you could buy the Jordans, original one. Oh, here we go, there's some nice restaurant. So definitely the concept is modern. I'm gonna tell you modern with little bit of the Indonesian architecture, but yeah, it's still early.
Still so many empty, for a spot for the tenants, I think.
Okay, let's go to the second floor. I just want to have a look for the Hoops Indonesia. This is the genuine place where you can buy Jordans. If you are a fan of Jordan, keep it in mind, that's the place. But they are genuine, okay? Not the fake ones. Toys Kingdom, that's the nice looking shop for the kids. Legos, they have Legos, they have everything here. So that looks actually decent and very interesting. Oh, they have also, definitely mall is kids friendly, that's about that. Here we go, cocktail, hello. So I hope so. I'm not gonna get a copyright for the Shakira song, huh? Okay, let's go to the second floor. There will be the Samsung at closed, and there's very nice ceiling here again. So this is the second floor, and we have an Era phone just at the beginning, and then Samsung and other brands. So I can already tell you this is the electronic section, especially for the phones.
Yes.
Definitely, there's one entrance and resting zone. Accessories shop, Samsung gonna be, there's the Xiaomi here, and the other Kidslandia for the kids. And then Oppo, Samsung, electronic shop, Bali actually. This one is like online, huh? And then there's the game zone here or something. Overall, that's how does it look like. And there is no other floor, there is already a last one. Yeah, the ceilings are the most impressive in these malls for so far. This is like a casino but for kids with no hazard, huh?
So one thing is about the second floor is the mix with the electronic shop and also the kids playland, something like that. So what I can say that it's just like, I don't know, is it well organized or not about the things? But yeah, this is how it is.
This is how
I think this is the loudest part.
So actually this mall looks so big from outside. The traffic jam indicates as it's massive. But when you enter inside, it's like just all right. No, not that spectacular big. It's nice. Okay, let's have some food maybe now.
Yeah.
Food option. Let's see what they have to eat. Also here gonna be 21 cinema premiere Living World coming soon. Coming soon, not yet, but it's gonna be cool, I believe. Okay, and this is the Rooftop Garden, or however they call it, on the third floor. And this one is actually pretty nice. I cannot tell you it's nice. Let's check this out. There are so many decorations like lights and everything. There are trees. You can enjoy. The breeze is already nice after the, it's already after sunset. However, there is no food vendors, no entertainment. It's just the garden. But let's have a look. Let's explore. And there's supposed to be also the view of the full entire Denpasar city.
Denpasar.
And the Ubud direction over there. So it's actually cool because Bali, as you know, have no tall buildings, so you can see everything in the background. Depends on the weather conditions. Maybe if you come here at the daytime when clarity of the sky is very good, it could be probably very cool view from here. Okay, let's explore. Basically, that's how does it look like. So all the ceiling, what I showed you before, what I was impressed, that's actually the roof on the top. Then yeah, that's how does it look like.
Let's go there.
First time in this mall, heard a lot of interesting stories about this place, so decided to come today and show you myself, especially as I got a situation with the car last time, so I'm a little bit have no other options to do. Anyway, tomorrow I'm flying to Perth, Australia, so have to also manage my time properly. There are overall decorations here. Decorations, they still have the decorations for the Chinese New Year, which is interesting. Big area here. That's without doubts. Mostly people enjoying the pictures. Cool. Probably during the sunset could be a cool here.
Yeah, I think that the best time to come to this mall is just like sunset time and night time, so you can capture the nice picture, you know, for your Instagram or social media.
Exactly. I don't think so. This is a good idea to explore this one during the daytime, like at 12, except the view of the Denpasar only.
Yeah.
After that, will be melting hot here. And yeah, decorations for the kids, especially local people like this stuff. From my experience, not bad at all. Something different, that's for sure. And also, if you face that direction, should be ocean somewhere in Sanur. So, down there is also something. This is like a swimming pool, but it's not swimming pool, it's just decoration. So the mall looks like this one. We're gonna go now for the food option, the last thing what we have to show you. General first impression from the mall. Probably it's nice, cool, but if you experience mall in Southeast Asia, Singapore, Malaysia, Bangkok, and so on, if you follow me, no, this one is just like a young sister or brother of the malls in general. But tomorrow I'm going to Perth, Australia. Let's see how Australian malls looks like. Last time I asked people if you would like to watch my videos in Dubai and in Canada. Some ladies answer, and if you're gonna go there, what you gonna show me? Only the malls again? Probably, but let's see which malls are the best. So this is the Uniqlo corner. You should know Uniqlo. There is no H&M yet, but Uniqlo is Giordano, of course. And there is also the iBox, which is the official reseller for the Apple. If you would like to buy iPhone or something like that, original one, you can buy here. There is no Apple store, but the iBox is something equivalent, like a reseller, obviously. So yeah, but also Malaysia, Australia, Singapore, Thailand, Apple products are cheaper. This one is more expensive. Actually, pretty 10% more expensive at least, just in case. Okay, and we are going now to the food option, which is in the ground floor. Oh, juice, classic Indonesian, and Solaria also classic. No Starbucks, sayang, here.
Not yet.
Not yet.
No McDonald's.
Oh,
No
McDonald's. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. Okay, let's go. Also, next to the cars, on the return, I'm gonna show you some motorbikes. They have it. That's the big bikes. Vespa, of course, must to be, and Vespa, and Kia. Kia's now coming to the market as well. Go, go, Kari! Like a Power Rangers, and Gindakor, Gindachor, I don't know, something like that. Food option. Yeah, that's how does it look like. A lot of simple stuff.
This one is the area. I think that this one is the lower ground floor. It's dedicated for the food and beverage section. As you see, that surrounded us, restaurant, and also I think that small food court, and then with the pond there. So,
and still empty vacants. That's all are empty vacants.
Yeah.
So
I don't know.
yeah.
Let's have something for dinner, sayang.
Let's have a look. We just wanted to have a sushi in Japanese restaurant, very nice place, but the aircon doesn't work in the brand new mall in the restaurant. Unbelievable. I'm already sweating. Can you see my face? How I'm sweating? Different restaurant, but that's how it looks like. Yeah, no complaints. Just sometimes it's happen, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes happen. Okay. Let's go. I just realized this is the chat time atelier, which is like a fancy chat time. So yeah, not like this one in the Bali Mall Galleria. And that's the outside look, and nice. But warung kopi using the old Volkswagen car, and some hats here. This is equivalent of the food court outside the mall, but yeah, I don't know. You can let me know in the comment section what do you think about this food court. Still very eerily limited everything, and still very quiet. Yeah, probably next year. Give them at least 6 months. Should be good. Those usually the malls like this, either they become very successful or either they gonna go into bankruptcy after 1 year. That's the regular stuff everywhere around the world is like that. So. Yeah.
Honey, keep optimistic.
Oh yes, success. And then Solaria, of course, you can end up in Juice if you would like to. Oh, what is this? Kuning what?
Pandan Kuring.
Pandan
Sundan is
Sundanese. This one actually looks nice if you like Sundanese food. And that's the mascot of I don't know what, blue mascot. And then there is also under conditioned food court. Looks very nice and clean. Just the selection of the food. It's just not my taste. They have an Igor even. Check this. You could have an Igor fish sign here. That's actually nice. But definitely very Indonesian taste overall. And yeah, and still very empty. But they have a pepper lunch. I nearly skipped because I focused on the blue mascot. But the pepper lunch is here, and the kids are happy. That's the most important thing. So it's very hot actually. We wanted to try the pizza, but on Capricciosa Pizza they're using the beef salami, so doesn't look optimistic either. Overall, beautiful mall, guys. Highly recommended to come, but keep it in mind how it looks like.
Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Damian flying tomorrow.
Tomorrow,
Bye.
travel vlog. See ya.